I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. All right guys, today we're working on the AD that Rand sent out for the fuel tanks, and they put out a pretty good video, but thought we would just kind of make our own here. So the first thing you'll want to do is come back here and start. So here's your, this is the pilot side wing rear spar. So you'll skip this rivet, and we just put a T-square on this rivet right here and marked our line. Then skip a rivet, do it again, skip a rivet, do it again. Then just take your caliper and you'll go 3.8 inches from that rear spar forward, mark 3 of those, and then do 4.8 inches and mark 3 of those. And then the next step is you'll drill number 40s here, which we'll do that now. And we've already done the co-pilot wing, so we'll go ahead and drill those, and then we'll come back and show you guys what we did. So the bigger guy goes to the rear. And it's actually touching the tank, so we're going to cut off 0.34 inches. That's what we did on the other side. So I went ahead and scribed a line for that. We're going to cut that off now. All right, guys, we got that cut. And yours will vary, but ours needed 0.34 just to clear it. Make sure it didn't hit the tank. So slide that guy in there. Get it flush. Make sure everything's out of the way. Let me get a clamp.
Bar and against the ribs.
Yeah, it's flush up against everything. Okay. Can you push this skin up flat? Okay, this one. Okay. So then we'll take this guy out, drill it, number 40. You can barely see that one. I can see it though. Ah. There's a rivet right there. So I'm gonna have to take it, wipe that off. I'm gonna push it up next to that rivet. This rib, the bend is facing this way, so there is a rivet. It's hitting a rivet. So we're gonna push it up as close to that rivet as we can. That's why Dad was having to push up on the skin, because that rivet was holding that part up, and then towards the end I heard it fall. So we'll try this again. Thank you. Got it. Backwards. Looks good. Kind of looks crooked, only but that tank could be crooked, you know? Yeah. Double check everything. See? Start again. Do what, Dad? Plane start again. So weird how it can be. Yeah. We'll get it right in a minute. Yeah, it just looks crooked, but I like that. Man, go to the chiropractor. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, that's where it's going. this guy will go in here, and we'll get it lined up and then push it forward. Block that off. Try it again. Oh. Okay. All right. Drill that out to number 40. Okay. All the holes are drilled. Now it's time to fit, and then all these cables are out of the way. There we go. Yeah. Silver Clico, please. One more. Don't forget, whenever I take this thing out to final, to clean it all up, put that tape on there. Yeah, right. Awesome. I just need some more Clicos. And glue and epoxy on this Clico. Right. Yeah, number 30. All the wires, heating tubes, everything's out of the way. All right, here we go. So the larger one that goes in the half spar goes on the bottom. Make sure you put the anti-chafe tape on it. Take it out. Deburr. Awesome. We'll need that in a minute. More tape. Pull our parts. Pause the camera. And just like magic, get your rivets ready. Got everything deburred. These are AAPQ 42s. And voila. Nope. Just like that, the AD is complete. Start flying again. So you guys see what that looks like. So there. I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but maybe not. But anyway, that's it. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad
and Chad.